Next is McCall's, and this is my last one till my next order comes. Hey, I'm back. I'm Alethea, and welcome back to Sail Along Sewing. And this is part 2 of the pattern Simplicity Sale. This is Simplicity 3105, or Easy to Sew. As you can see, there are 3 choices for your pants. It has an elasticated waist. You have the shorts, the mid, and the long. So they are calling this the shorts and pants. Suggested fabrics are cotton blends, crepes, lightweight twill, linen poplin, and it also calls for a lightweight interfacing. Like I said, you have 3 choices to select from. Here is the line drawing for you. A clear version looks like, and this is an easy sew pattern. The only thing about it is the elastic waist. If you have not worked with the elastic, you might want to look it up. I probably would do a video on that, sewing the elasticated waist. Next up is Simplicity 98.95, and the rest of these patterns, starting from this one, they are rated average. So they are calling this pattern here Mrs. and Women's Knit Jacket and Leggings. And your suggested fabrics are the double knit fleece jersey, stretch velvet sweatshirt, and C, which are the pants, stretch knits only, such as George's spandex. And you have your picnic ruler at the bottom of this pattern. And like I said, it's rated average. Here are your line drawings. Let's move on. The next one is another average pattern, and it's Simplicity 3067. And I thought they were best, but they're calling it a blouse. It says tops with A, B, C, D cups. Suggested fabrics, denim, linen, suiting fabrics, twill. And there's a lining and a lightweight interfacing for this. You have 4 options. Of course, I'm liking the ones with the collars. And that's C and D. Here are all the line drawings. Look at C and D. This is C and D. Look at the back. This is the back, and this is the front. Loving it. And you have cuff sizes. This pattern, 3067, is rated average. Next, we have Simplicity 3103. Tops. Let's see what they're calling this pattern. This is tops with sleeve variation. The fabrics are crepe, linen blends, medium weight fabrics, rayon blends, stable knits. Oh, okay. So you got some stable knits in there and some woven. And the notions are 122-inch invisible zipper, 2 7/8-inch buttons. So this is average. It has zippers and buttons. You have choices of long sleeve or short sleeves. Now A and B, I'm trying to figure out what's the difference. They look just alike to me, but I'm gonna have to look at it closer because something evidently is different. So here are the line drawings, A and B, and your long sleeve version. Must be in the sleeve area, but you can't really tell in the line drawing or on envelope. But definitely gonna have to go back. Oh, let's get back to 3067. I skipped over the notions. What are the notions for? Like I said, this top is lined, and the notions for this top is only, let's see, 4 5/8" buttons. So, well, and the last one that I have here is Mimi G, Simplicity 3071. That's that unisex blazer, and the suggested fabrics are cotton blends, double knit, lightweight denim, linen blends, ponte, stretch wovens, wool, and wool blends. It is also calling for a lining, cotton blends, polyester blends, and lightweight interfacings. And the notions are 3¾ buttons, 2 6x2 fleece remnant for inside of sleeve, pair 1/2" 3/4" shoulder pads, pair 1/2" to 3/4" shoulder pads. So the unisex jacket, and it's rated average. Nice, nice, nice. Will look good in jean fabric. I see jean. Here is the line drawings for you, a clearer view of the line drawings. I don't think I mentioned the notions in 3105. Let's see what the notion are. Okay. The notions for A, B, and C are 2.5 yards of 1" elastic. And they're saying this is easy. This pattern also has pockets. You can see the pockets on the back. B, what are they calling that? And it has little pleats at the front. I love pleats and collars. But the only problem with this, if you're not, it depends on where you are in your journey. If you're not comfortable with working with the elastic on the sewing machine or sewing up a garment. But I love pleats. I love that fabric right there. That would be the only problem, if any at all. Like I said, it's rated easy. Let's move on. So I recently got my order in from Moose, and this is a piece of fabric that is stiff as the board, no stretch, and it's called the Ralph Lauren Dark Indigo Densed Cotton Denim Blue. It is truly tight, very tight and very stiff. The second sample I got is called Sky Blue and White Pencil Striped Cotton Shirting. I like this. Very thin though. Really, really, really thin. But I got those swatches when I ordered This fabric right here, this is a polyester and cotton seersucker, dark blue, and I got 2 yards of it from Moods. I have plans for this. Been waiting on it for a minute now, but it has arrived, so we're gonna go from there. So, to recap everything, we have Mimi G, S37-1, Simplicity, S31-05, Simplicity, S31-03, which are blouses in 3 choices. Tops in 4 choices. S30-67 with buttons and collars. And the last one is S98-95 sportswear. And it's rated average.